This is Ken at Pyroworks, and I'm sorry for the quality of the video, but it'll convey the point. Came to my attention today that our SR systems will trigger our Phoenix SQ6 if you turn it on. So I've done some head scratching and some thinking today, and as you can see, I have an MR system and an SR system, both of them on different cues of the remote. And I will show you what happens when I turn on or trigger the MR system. Notice it's showing continuity. If I can hold this thing still. Anyway, here we go. And you'll want to watch the sequencer digital display. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, so you see it triggered normally and everything is fine. So we don't need that anymore. Anyway, so now we have our system set up with the MR and the SR and the sequencer. But notice if I turn off the MR system, it starts running the sequence. And that's because it is hooked up to the SR system and it is on. So if I turn this off, reset the sequencer, you can see that as soon as I turn it on, it runs it. So what I'd like to do is show you a workaround if you have one of our SR systems and you would like to use it with one of our sequencers, our Phoenix SQ6 sequencer. So let me get things set up and I'll return. Okay, now as you can see, I have attached a Talon igniter to the number 1 cue. I have it set over here so you can see it when it fires. And we'll set our sequencer to fire. Everything's on 0. Now we turn on the system. And yeah, it's a clumsy workaround, sorta. But it's also a 50-cent way to make this setup work. So I'm gonna fire Q1. So our Talon goes, and so did our sequence, and that's it. I hope it helps.